Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
This video shows the dealer how to unbox and assemble the 368 cubic centimeters luxury Zontes K scooter. Until the scooter is widely available in Europe, this procedure is only available in Chinese subtitles. I have put together the specifications which this scooter offers, included in this video. While you watch the unpacking of the scooter, please enjoy. The 368K is positioned as a premium touring scooter. Its sleek and minimalist design exudes elegance and sophistication. Equipped with numerous practical features and advanced technology, it offers exceptional comfort and high-speed stability. The 368 cubic centimeters engine boasts an 11.8:1 compression ratio, achieving an impressive 28.5 kilowatts of power and 40 Newton-meters of torque with remarkable fuel efficiency. The sharp headlights feature minimal light decay and extended lifespan, enhancing safety during nighttime riding. The 6 LED projector modules emit a soft yet powerful beam with excellent penetration and wide coverage, enabling riders to confidently navigate diverse road conditions and weather challenges. The headlights and daytime running lights illuminate with a sequential effect upon startup, adding a touch of elegance to the riding experience. The distinctive combination taillights and position lights feature a sequential illumination effect upon startup, adding a touch of ceremony while enhancing visibility and safety for braking and turning. The sleek and widened electrically adjustable windscreen effectively deflects wind over the rider's head and shoulders, providing comfort during long-distance journeys and high-speed cruising. Ride with confidence in cold weather and enjoy the scenery without distractions. The newly developed sofa-like seat with lumbar support offers exceptional comfort with its plush padding and generous width. Experience unparalleled luxury. The seat features a pneumatic damper for smooth and effortless opening and closing. The relaxed riding position, complemented by spacious footboards, enhances comfort during long-distance travel. The luxurious and elegant center console, adorned with gleaming chrome accents, exudes sophistication. The one-piece aluminum alloy handlebars offer two-position adjustability for personalized ergonomics. 2 handlebar end caps are included, allowing for the seamless installation of a phone mount. The meticulously designed, integrated magnesium alloy luggage rack combines a sleek aesthetic with exceptional strength and durability, allowing you to add a top box. Catering to everyday practicality. The newly tuned front and rear shock absorbers provide smoother operation and superior damping, effectively absorbing minor road imperfections and offering enhanced support on uneven surfaces. J. Ewan Spanish Racing Bred opposed 4-piston radial calipers, coupled with enlarged brake discs, deliver confident stopping power, shorter braking distances, and enhanced braking efficiency. The wide-surface liquid-cooled radiator ensures optimal operating temperatures for the high-performance engine, preventing overheating and enabling smooth cold starts. The redesigned muffler features an upgraded aesthetic and internal chamber structure, resulting in increased power output and a more exhilarating exhaust note. The 3.0 keyless ignition system utilizes communication for seamless integration with the ECU, instrument panel, and other systems. Featuring 4G, GPS, and Bluetooth connectivity, the system is activated by a compact and intuitive proximity key, ensuring a seamless and powerful start to every journey. The Zontes mobile app provides comprehensive vehicle management functions, including remote control, data retrieval, user authorization, ride tracking, and over-the-air upgrades. The latest generation of the app integrates features such as screen mirroring for navigation, wireless updates, DVR playback and download, enhancing convenience and connectivity. The 6.75-inch TFT full-color LCD instrument panel offers a clear and concise interface, supporting simultaneous connection with smartphones and Bluetooth helmet headsets. Features include screen mirroring for navigation, tire pressure monitoring, automatic brightness adjustment, real-time vehicle data display, and fault code diagnostics, providing a comprehensive suite of practical functions. The integrated front and rear dual-camera driving recorder offers comprehensive coverage of your journey. Featuring 128GB storage capacity, a Sony Starvis CMOS sensor for exceptional low-light performance, 1080p high-definition video quality, a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, and an f1.8 aperture, the system captures crucial details in various riding conditions. Enjoy the benefits of advanced technology. The tire pressure monitoring system effectively mitigates the risk of tire blowouts, ensuring a safer riding experience. The system provides real-time monitoring of tire pressure and alerts the rider through the instrument panel with flashing warnings if abnormalities are detected. Easily switch between Eco and Sport modes using the handlebar switch. In Eco mode, the system automatically transitions to Sport mode when the engine speed reaches 7,000 rpm, providing instant power for overtaking maneuvers. Dual fast-charging USB ports are provided, including one Type-A and one Type-C port, along with a dual port and a single-port fast charger. These support QC 3.0 and most other fast-charging protocols, delivering up to 18 W of power per port for rapid charging. The large-capacity rear storage compartment can accommodate 2 XXL full-face helmets, riding gear, and smaller items. Ample storage is also provided by the spacious left and right front compartments. 6 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides a smaller size, lighter weight, improved low-temperature discharge performance, and longer lifespan. The 17-liter large-capacity fuel tank ensures worry-free long-distance touring. Heated grips come standard, and handguards are included as a thoughtful addition for comfortable riding in colder weather. The brake lever features an integrated parking brake function, enhancing safety when parked on inclines. The Bosch electronic fuel injection system ensures a safe and reliable riding experience. The advanced traction control system continuously monitors the speed of both wheels, intervening when necessary to maintain traction and preventing skidding. This provides enhanced stability and control, inspiring confidence in challenging riding conditions. The dual-channel ABS anti-lock braking system provides optimal braking performance and control, preventing wheel lockup during hard braking. This advanced safety feature inspires confidence in various riding conditions, including sand, rain, or snow. The Zontes 368K scooter will be available in Europe soon. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation of Zontes' flagship tourer scooter. Please subscribe. Please promote this Chanel on your social. Best regards, and see you soon, Madmick.
I'm coming for the throne.